The Music Producer's Guide to Success: Unlocking Income Streams in the Digital Age by Jon Brooks. Chapter 1: Developing Your Craft. Continuous learning and skill development are crucial aspects of thriving as a music producer. In an ever-evolving industry, staying ahead requires a commitment to expanding one's knowledge and refining technical and creative abilities. Music production encompasses a vast array of skills, ranging from understanding the latest software and technology, communicating with clients and artists, to mastering the art of composition, sound design, mixing, and mastering. A successful music producer is not only well-versed in current trends, but is also capable of anticipating and adapting to future shifts in the industry. One key area of continual learning for a music producer is staying abreast of advancements in music production software and outboard equipment. Whether it's mastering a new digital audio workstation, DAW, exploring innovative plugins, or adapting to changes in hardware, staying technologically fluent is absolutely essential. It can also help save a lot of time and effort down the road. Music producers must cultivate a deep understanding of various music genres and styles. This involves staying attuned to emerging trends, studying the classics, and appreciating the nuances of different musical traditions. By expanding their musical knowledge, producers can bring fresh and diverse elements into their work. Skill development also extends to the business side of music production. Producers need to navigate contracts, licensing agreements, and industry relationships effectively. Understanding the financial aspects of the profession, such as budgeting and marketing, is crucial. Collaboration is another area where continual learning plays a pivotal role. Building effective communication skills and understanding the dynamics of working with diverse artists and professionals contribute to a producer's ability to create cohesive and successful musical projects. The most successful producers embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. Whether through online courses, workshops, networking events, or simply keeping a curious and open mind, the commitment to continual learning ensures that a music producer remains adaptable and ready to face the dynamic challenges of the industry. This is one of the reasons I love the industry. There is so much to learn, it's never ending. Staying updated with industry trends and technologies. A lot of music producers regularly read industry publications, blogs, and websites that cover the latest trends, equipment reviews, and technological advancements. This includes websites like Sound on Sound, Music Tech, and blogs of major software and hardware companies. Participating in online forums and communities allows producers to connect with peers, share experiences, and stay informed about emerging trends. Platforms like Gearspace, Reddit's audio engineering communities, and various Facebook groups provide valuable insights and discussions. Joining professional associations and organizations such as the Audio Engineering Society, AES, or the Recording Academy provide access to events, seminars, and publications that keep producers updated on industry developments. Attending conferences and trade shows like the NAMM Show or the AES Convention allows music producers to experience firsthand the latest equipment, software, and industry trends. Networking with other professionals at these events is also beneficial. Taking online courses and workshops from reputable platforms like Berklee Online, Coursera, or Point Blank Music School can help producers acquire new skills and stay updated on the latest production techniques. Digital audio workstation templates, DAW templates, serve as valuable educational tools for music producers. They often showcase workflow structures, provide insight into mixing techniques, offer guidance on instrumentation and arrangement choices, whilst often including pre-designed patches and sound presets. Templates can demonstrate the use of automation, usually include pre-configured mastering chains, save time, and can be genre-specific, offering insights into the production techniques and arrangements commonly found in a particular musical style. As we delve into this topic, you can access Logic Pro templates I offer for download through the following link: www.logicpro-templates.sellfy.store. You could also do a Google search for Jon Brooks, Logic Pro Templates, download. There's more on this later too. Listening to podcasts and attending webinars hosted by industry experts is a convenient way for producers to gain insights into current trends, production techniques, and technology. Podcasts like Pensado's Place and Sonic Scoop often feature interviews with influential figures in the industry. Following industry leaders, equipment manufacturers, and fellow producers on social media platforms like TikTok, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn can provide a constant stream of updates and insights. Subscribing to newsletters and services like Sonic Scoop's newsletter, Gearspace Forum Digest, or Music Tech Blogs' email lists ensures that producers receive regular updates and curated content directly to their inbox. Music producers often experiment with new software, plugins, and production techniques. Many software companies offer trial versions of their products, allowing producers to explore new tools before deciding to make a purchase. By combining these approaches, music producers can create a well-rounded strategy for staying informed about industry trends and technologies, ensuring that they remain at the forefront of the dynamic and ever-evolving music production landscape. The role of formal education, online courses, and the self-taught. Formal education and online courses play important roles in the development of music producers, offering structured learning opportunities and resources that contribute to their knowledge, skills, and overall success in the industry. Formal education programs, such as degree courses in music production or audio engineering, often provide a comprehensive curriculum covering various aspects of music theory, production techniques, sound engineering, and industry experience. Many formal education programs incorporate practical, hands-on experience in recording studios, giving students the opportunity to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Educational institutions often facilitate networking opportunities with industry professionals, fellow students, and alumni, providing valuable connections that can lead to collaboration and career opportunities. Students in formal education programs receive constructive feedback and critique from experienced instructors, helping them refine their skills and gain a deeper understanding of their strengths and areas for improvement. Formal education often provides access to state-of-the-art facilities and equipment, giving students the chance to work with industry-standard tools and technology. Online courses offer flexibility, allowing music producers to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. This accessibility is particularly beneficial for individuals with other commitments. Online courses offer a wide range of specialized topics, from specific software tutorials to niche production techniques. This allows producers to focus on areas of interest or fill gaps in their knowledge. Online courses create a global learning community where producers can interact with peers, exchange ideas, and collaborate regardless of geographical location. Online courses are often more cost-effective than traditional education, making quality education accessible to a broader audience. As previously mentioned, the dynamic nature of the music industry requires continuous learning. Online courses enable producers to stay updated on the latest trends, technologies, and production methods. Formal education is not always a prerequisite for success. While it can provide valuable insight, skills, and networking opportunities, many successful producers have forged their paths through alternative means. Here are some reasons why education may not be necessary for every music producer. Some exceptionally talented individuals have a natural aptitude for music production and are self-taught prodigies. They may have an innate ability to understand complex production techniques and musical concepts without formal instruction. Don't forget, your auditory faculties, ears, are the most important tools you possess. The music industry values diversity, and producers can come from various backgrounds. Some successful producers have backgrounds in fields outside formal music education, such as technology, engineering, or even unrelated disciplines. The music industry is dynamic, and success often requires adaptability and a keen understanding of current trends. Some producers stay relevant by learning on the job, staying informed through self-study, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape. Passion for music and a strong work ethic can drive individuals to succeed in music production. Some are motivated by an intense love for the craft, dedicating countless hours to experimentation, learning, and honing their skills. With the rise of online tutorials, forums, and affordable recording equipment and software, aspiring producers can access a wealth of information independently. This liberation of resources allows individuals to learn without the need for formal education. Ultimately, the music industry often places more emphasis on a portfolio and practical experience than formal credentials. People who can showcase a strong body of work and successful projects may find success without formal education. Building relationships within the industry, networking with artists and professionals, and demonstrating skills through collaborations and projects can often be more influential than educational credentials. While formal education can undoubtedly provide a structured pathway and accelerate learning processes, its absence does not preclude success. The industry is diverse, and each individual's journey can take unique and varied paths. What remains consistent is the importance of dedication, creativity, adaptability, resilience, and passion for music. Many music producers benefit from a combination of formal education, online courses, and/or teaching themselves through experimentation and trial and error. Formal education provides a structured foundation, while online courses offer the flexibility to explore specific areas of interest and facilitate continuous learning throughout a music producer's career. Ultimately, the role of education, whether formal, online, or through self-tuition, is to empower us with the knowledge and skills we need to navigate the complexities of the music industry and realize our creative potential. Understanding signal flow. Signal flow refers to the path an audio signal takes from its source through various processing stages to its final destination. Understanding signal flow and being able to diagnose any issues in the signal chain is crucial, as it forms the foundation for creating and manipulating audio within a studio environment. Being able to resolve problems quickly, especially under the pressure of deadlines, is paramount. The signal flow begins with the source, which can be a recorded instrument, vocals, electronic sounds, or any audio input. Producers capture or generate these initial sounds. If the source is live, microphones capture the audio signal. For digital sources, the signal comes directly from instruments or software. Producers understand the devices used to record or generate these initial signals. The signal often passes through a preamplifier or audio interface, where it undergoes amplification and analog to digital conversion, ADC, if needed. Producers adjust gain levels to ensure optimal signal strength. The signal enters the DAW, digital audio workstation, where producers manipulate it using various tools. This includes editing, adding effects, adjusting levels, and arranging the components of the music. Producers apply plugins and effects to shape the sound. This stage involves equalization, compression, reverb, delay, and other processing techniques to achieve the desired sonic characteristics. In a traditional studio setup or within a DAW, digital audio workstation, the signal may pass through a virtual or physical mixing console. Here, producers balance and mix different tracks to create a cohesive sound. Producers use buses and sends to route signals to specific destinations, allowing for parallel processing and the creation of complex mixes with varied effects. The signal finally reaches the master bus, where additional processing such as mastering plugins are applied. This stage prepares the signal for its final output. The final signal is sent to the studio monitors for monitoring. When satisfied, producers export the audio file for distribution, whether for streaming, physical release, or other purposes. Producers pay attention to gain staging throughout the signal flow to prevent distortion or signal degradation. Proper gain staging ensures that the signal remains clean and at an optimal level at each stage. Understanding signal flow helps producers troubleshoot issues in the audio chain, whether it's a noisy preamp, an improper routing configuration, or a plugin causing unwanted artifacts. Producers should be able to diagnose and address problems effectively. A solid understanding of signal flow empowers music producers to navigate the complexities of audio processing, shaping sounds creatively, and achieving professional quality mixes and productions.